Hello everyone, welcome to Flutter tutorial. Today I will show you how to open a Flutter project, and when you open Android Studio, after that you use this portion like start a Flutter project for developing Flutter application and click on it. After that choose Flutter application and click on next. And here is project name. You can change it as you wish like Flutter and must underscore and do not use any space. Okay, after that the SDK path must be provided. Okay, for that you can choose 3 dot for your SDK path like that. For my application the SDK path is Flutter, and next is project location. For that you also choose 3 dot and choose your project location. After that the description, it's not mandatory for project, but you can do it, you can done it for your project. Okay, after that click on next, and that's the company domain and package name, and the package name must be unique for your application and do not mess with another application like that whole over the world. And because when you submit it any and Play Store or others, then or iStore, then that's must factor for your application. After that you click on finish, and you can change it as you like. Okay, then finish it, and the creating Flutter project is processing. After some time it on processing, and the Flutter project is open. Okay, for your application. And here you notice that I choose my Flutter application name for Flutter application, and here is the Flutter application, and that's the my Flutter application path. Okay, the code is here. So that's the process of open a project in Flutter application. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.